Do you need to sign with a realtor just to see a property or enter an open house? Well, in case you don't know, the real estate world was flipped on its head recently in a lawsuit against the National Association of Realtors challenging how buyers agents get paid, and it's leaving a lot of people confused. Here's the short version. A court ruled recently that the current structure of buyer agent commissions was illegal and needed to change. Now, with the changes, buyer agent commissions are fully negotiable and fully disclosed. However, these new regulations require that every interaction between a prospective buyer and an agent have to have agency disclosure signed or an agency agreement in place with an agreement for compensation before you can even view a property. So this is why that if you've gone out to look at homes recently, every agent is asking you to sign something. So, should you sign a disclosure or agency agreement the next time you go to look at a property or even enter an open house? In my opinion, yes. It is a good idea because all of these new requirements have been put in place to protect you as a consumer, and there are 3 key reasons why. Number 1, clarity and transparency. The required buyer agency agreement ensures that home buyers have a clear understanding of the relationship with their realtor. It explicitly details the terms of the engagement, including how long the relationship will last, what services the realtor will provide, and how they will be compensated. This transparency reduces the risk of misunderstandings and helps buyers feel more confident in their decisions. Number 2, protecting your interests. With the agent's duties clearly spelled out, homebuyers can be certain that their realtor is exclusively on their side and is legally obligated to act in their best interest. This agreement outlines the fiduciary duties the realtor owes to the buyer, such as loyalty, confidentiality, and full disclosure, which can give you peace of mind to ensure that the buyer's interests are prioritized by their agent through the entire home buying process. And lastly, number 3, avoiding conflicts of interest. The new buyer agreement can help prevent potential conflicts of interest, especially in dual agency situations. By specifying who the agent is exclusively representing, buyers can avoid situations where realtors might be trying to represent both sides and instead focus on negotiating solely for you, the buyer, to get you the best possible deal, leading to a more ethical and buyer-focused transaction. I know this topic can be a little confusing, so don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions. And if you're considering making a move, request a free no-obligation strategy session where we can help you map your next move. Until we talk again, this is Brett Jennings saying we'll be right here ready to help you create a better life through real estate. Have a great one.